Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Ruble Solutions. I am back with the question answer series, that is class 4 chapter 7. Let's changing background and style. Let's go directly to the question and answer series. Okay, here is come section A, filling the blanks. When you open Scratch window, the dash sprite appears on the stage. The answer is cat. You can add more than one dash and dash in your Scratch project. The answer is background and sprite. In Scratch, dash block instructions are used to draw a trail as the sprite moves on the stage. The answer is pen. Dash is the darkest shade of pen used in the Scratch. 0. The musical notes in the Scratch are signified by dash numbers. In Scratch 2.0, the picture on the stage is called backdrop. State true and false. Scratch provides options to change the background of your project. True. The stage icon is used to change the sprite in your Scratch project. False. You can use Paint Editor to create a new background. True. You cannot use the camera of your computer system to add a new background. False. You can see the background list under background tabs. True. Any background once added in the Scratch cannot be deleted. False. Now the application based questions. Sonia is trying her hands on Scratch. Suggest her the options to paint a new background using the Paint Editor. Click the Paint button present under Backgrounds tab. This option will open a Paint Editor where you can create a new background. Use the available tools to create background. Click OK button to add the background to stage as well as background list. 2. Rahul loves to play guitar. While working on his Scratch project, he wants to play the sound of guitar. Help him by suggesting the appropriate block to do the same. The sound block provides different blocks to play music in Scratch project. It also provides music based on different instruments using set block. There are 128 different inbuilt instruments for your selection. Section B, multiple choice question. The dash is the area where you creations come to life. The answer is stage. There are 128 different instruments to choose from. Set instrument to one block. 128. The background of the stage can be changed using the instructions under the dash block. Background of the stage can be changed. Looks. When you click on the script, Scratch runs the blocks from dash of the sprite. Middle. Answer the following question. Explain any one method to add a new background on the stage. Import background from the library. Click on the background tab present next to the script tab. Click on to choose an existing background. Click on the import button. To choose the import background dialog box appears. You will find various categories such as indoors, nature, outdoors. The selected background will be added to the space. You choose background and click OK button and the selected background will be added to the stage. So this is one of the way, that is import background from the library. What is the use of change pen shade by 10 blocks? In Scratch, pen block instructions are used to draw a trail as sprites move on the stage. Each pen color has different shades that vary from lightest to darkest. Pen shades varies from 0 to 100, that is 0 is darkest and 100 is lightest. You can explain the purpose of stage icon In the Scratch, you can change the background of stage by selecting the stage icon besides the sprite list. The stage is the area where your creations come to life. What is the purpose of set instructions to one block? The sound block provides different blocks to play music in Scratch project. It also provides music based on different instruments using set instructions to one block. What are the three buttons available for rotation style? Can rotate, only face left, right, don't rotate. Thank you so much for all the motivation. 4th class student question and answer series chapter 7 is completed. You can read the whole chapter, is present in the playlist section of our channel. Please go to the playlist section, which is really organized and where we give all the, like जैसे 3rd class students question answers and chapters are given, 2nd class student question answers and chapters are given. Now class 4 is going on, chapter 7 is done, now chapter 8 will be coming. Same way, 2nd class student computer tutorials are there, 3rd class students computer tutorials are there, 4th class student computer tutorials are there, 5th class students, all the chapters are explained properly in Hindi. So these are the basic. If you want to do the basics, then do follow from class 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 की बुक मैंने ला रखी है, हम जल्दी ही उसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे. And thank you so much for all the blessings. We are going day by day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Love. Bye.